Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about user-defined cost types in Sage 100 Contractor. So if that's not you, thanks for checking in. We'll catch you next time. For the rest of you, I wanted to talk a little bit about this. It's been a while since we've written on it or shared anything about it. And recently we had a couple of clients call. They had decided to use some of the user-defined cost types, and they weren't getting some of the results that they expected. Sometimes using additional cost types are great in some of the industries and can come in very handy, but there are several things to think about in setting those up, and we wanted to make sure that that particular workflow was going to give them the result that they needed. So basically the default cost types are 5. 1, material, 2, labor, and it's intended for W-2 labor, 3, equipment, 4, subcontract, and 5, other. For over 90% or so of our clients, this is more than enough. It flows through for their budgets, their job cost reporting, all by cost code, and that's working just fine. For a handful of other clients, an additional cost type might provide some great reporting and information that they need, and user-defined cost types are available in Sage 100 Contractor. So if you are thinking about using that to solve a particular problem that you're having or a workflow that you have, one, it would be important to just check in and make sure that it's going to give you the result you want. And then secondly, once you've created that new cost type and you're actually using it, you'll want to have thought through some of the reports that are available. Sage has hundreds and hundreds of great job cost reports, but they're designed for types 1 through 5. So if you've created number 6 and number 7, those reports do not include those cost types. Now, they can be added. So this would be a time to identify which of the reports you need broken down with those additional cost types, and then to create a version that will allow for a display of the additional cost type columns. All right, so that's how that part works. The other thing to consider is if you've got any Power BI reports, and those are designed to bringing in cost types, you might need to make some modifications there to accommodate the additional cost types. So just to recap, 1 through 5 is available for you. For over 90% of you, that's going to be just fine. If you need some additional cost types, you'll just need to consider that the workflow you have in mind will give you the result you want, and that you have custom modified the reports that you need in order to display those additional cost types. If you want to talk any of this through or work it out on paper first before you get started, we'd be more than happy to help. For now, thanks for your time and have a great rest of your week.